tighten one's belt. After Sam retired, he had to tighten his belt. Okay, did the green table do so? Okay, let's hear from the green table.
Spend all the money.
Spend all the money. He had to spend all of his money. Okay, let's hold on to that. Yes.
They're watching on their money.
They're watching their money. So completely opposite definitions of the same idiom.
Short the expense.
Shorten the expenses or cut back on the expense. Somebody has to keep track for me. Okay, in this table back here?
Very frugal in spending money.
Very frugal in spending money. Okay, and this
Control the spending.
control the spending. Okay, let's see. You must spend your money carefully because there's less available. So you tighten your belt. So it's not to spend freely.